So in this question 2016 A1, we have a curved metal shade from a set of traffic lights. The shade is based on a cylinder which is truncated, so sliced here, okay, and shaped as shown. So I'm going to talk through what we're going to do before I actually start the drawing. The drawing shows the circular end view and the elevation of the shade. So the end elevation here, okay, and then the elevation here. Complete the surface development. So every line on a development is a true length. Normally what you do with cylinders, you divide it up into 60-30. You take the distances with your compass, okay, and step them down here, right? And you would label the numbers along here, find the numbers on this view here, and bring them down, okay, to the relevant numbers and plan. Now, obviously, we have a curved surface, so, or a curve here, and we have extra elements here. So we're going to have to label these numbers, all right, find the extra elements down here by using our compass, bring them across to elevation, and bring them straight down until they reach their relevant point. And then we will have to do part B, a point P, okay, we have to find it in the development. So we'll have to bring it over to the end view, find the distance between the element and point P in the end view, and bring it down to its relevant element here, and then bring it across, and then bring the point P down. So I'll start showing you that in the drawing and talk you through it. So I label the points. Now I'm going to bring those points over to elevation. I'm going to label the points in elevation. I'm going to find some of the points in the development. So I start 14 and 0, and I use my compass to plot 0 to 1. 14 to 13 is the same distance. Then 1 to 2 is that distance to the red line. So I take 2 to 3 and plot from the second red line there at the bottom and the second red line from the top. That's 2 and 12. Now I'm going to label my points in my development. So I'm going to bring the lines across there to get ready to finish the development. Now I'm going to bring the numbers down to their respective distances or positions and continue the bottom of the development. So bring the numbers down. 0 and 14 are on the top and bottom line. 2 and 13 are on the, or 1 and 13 are in the second bottom and top. 2 and 12 third bottom and top. Now I'm going to freehand sketch the curve in. And then I'm going to finish the development there, and then we're going to do point P. So we have to bring P over to the end view and find P in the development now. So P lies between 5 and 6, okay, and then P1 lies between, I think that's 8 and 9. So I need to take the distance between 5 and P, and now look, it goes in slow motion. 5 to P lies between elements 5 and 6 in the development. So I'm going to put it between 5 and 6 in the development. That's very important, that it's not between 5 and 4 or 6 and 7, which is a common mistake students make. And then I'm going to do the same then on the other side for P1. And it goes between 8 and 9. So not 9 and 7, 8 and 9, and then I can bring the points across in the development and P down until it hits the points. Okay, and then that's the question done. Thank you.